Hi, I'm Vijay and this is my video 3 for lesson 6 and this is my explanation for my creative work. Well, I have created the two classes over here. So one with the actual code and one for the main class. And the coming to actual code, here I imported the package of Flutter material. Then I created a class and with a stateful widget obviously, and after that I have created two text field controllers for the numbers we are gonna enter. So this is like text by default is gonna be 0 here, and here I have done like I given like 4 different operations. One is like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, but I implemented only 2 operations out of it, and one more operation is to clear the result out and do other things out also. And after that I given the total price out, which is like a text on all the above, and the obviously the keyboard type is the number. And after that I have given the 2 buttons in a row. One is for the addition and other one is for multiplication, and a clean button so that to erase the results and get to a new one. So this is my creative code for the lesson 6 video. So this entire page is created by a single button which I have implemented in the home page in the drawer. So here is the button which this style which I have implemented. So this one, and in the home page controller I have added the material page root for over here. So whenever you click on it, you'll be redirected to the page where I have done my creative work. So that's it. Thank you.